Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva for beginners. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. You can see here free designing tool. If you already have an account in Canva, then just click on this. Or after clicking on this, you will find a page like this, which is your logged in Canva account. Okay, so you don't need to log in again because you already logged in previous time. So what is Canva? Canva is basically a designing website or application, you can say. So where you can design many things like document, whiteboard, presentation, logo, Facebook post, and many things. So how you start designing? Just click on this, create a design, this blue button. Then you will find many things, documents, whiteboard, presentation. Just pick your one and start designing. Or you can search here, like I'm searching document, you'll see, and here's the many things what you want to customize or designing. Document, banner, document, AC document, A4 document, anything. I'm just clicking on document. And here you will find a page like this, where the many tools you will find which will help you to customize your documents. Okay, like this you will find many things, not only documents but also presentation, whiteboards, logo, many things. All of the designs you may find on Canva. Okay, so just pick one and start designing. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.